Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In my last video, I talked about uterus, cervix, and vagina. If you want to see the video, then click on the button and watch the video now. So there are lots of topics are remaining in female reproductive system, which I will talk about in special videos. So from now, today I'm gonna start about our endocrine system. Okay. So in my earlier introductory videos, I already told you that what are the endocrine organs in our body. Among them, ovary and testes. I already talked about in my earlier videos. So I am directly starting from pancreas. Okay. So today's topic is pancreas. Pancreas is a retroperitoneal organ. It means it stays behind the peritoneum, and it's a mixture. It's a combine of endocrine part and exocrine part. As you can see in this photo, this is our pancreas, which is placed behind the peritoneum. Retroperitoneum, at the level of L1, L2. Lumbar 1 and lumbar 2 vertebra, almost horizontally. Okay. Now the measurements. First of all, it is 15 to 20 centimeter long. Okay. So 2.5 to 4 centimeter it is broad, almost 1.5 centimeter thick, and almost 100 gram its weight. Okay, 90 to 100 gram its weight. This entire length of the pancreas is divided into 4 parts. First of all, head, neck, body, and tail. Okay, so we'll talk about this each part in little bit details. Okay, as you can see in this photo, our pancreas is J-shaped organ. Okay, English letter J, so it is obliquely placed J-shaped organ, which I am talking only about head part. Okay, now this head is placed over the entire curvature of the duodenum. It has 3 border: superior, inferior, right lateral, 2 surface, anterior surface, posterior surface, and 1 hook-shaped process, or we call it uncinate process. Okay, it's a hook-like structure present at the head of the pancreas. The superior border is overlaid by the first part of the duodenum. I already talked about duodenum, all parts in details in my duodenum video in my very earlier GI system. So if you can check that. Now, what I am saying that the upper border of the pancreas, the head of the pancreas, is overlapped by first part of the duodenum, and it is related to the superior pancreaticoduodenal artery. And same to same, the inferior border of the head is also related with the third part of the duodenum and related with the inferior pancreaticoduodenal artery. And the right lateral border of the head is related with the second part of the duodenum. Also, the terminal point of the terminal part of the anastomosis between pancreaticoduodenal artery. Okay, the anterior surface is related with the first part of duodenum, then transverse colon, then jejunum. Done. And the posterior surface of the head is related with the inferior vena cava, terminal parts of the renal vein, then right crus of the diaphragm, then a small part of bile duct. Now the uncinate process. See, the uncinate process arises from the head of the pancreas, mainly the inferior part of the head, and after arises, it goes left side. It goes towards left side, and after going few distance, it ends. It terminates. So it gives a hook-like structure. We call it uncinate, and it is anteriorly related with the superior mesenteric artery and posteriorly directly our abdominal aorta. Okay, neck, which is in between our head and body. So the neck has actually 2 surfaces: anterior surface, posterior surface. Okay, anterior surface is related with the peritoneum, which is covered the lesser sac and the pylorus, and posteriorly it is related with the end point or end part or the terminal part of the superior mesenteric vein along with the portal vein. Okay, that's it. Now our body of the pancreas after the neck. So we are getting here mainly 3 border. First of all, anterior border. This anterior border is actually related with our transverse mesocolon. I will talk about this later. But it actually acts as it gives site, or it acts as a site where the root of this transverse mesocolon attached with this. Okay, that's it. Next is our superior border. Okay, superior border is related with the celiac trunk. Okay, hepatic arteries and splenic artery. Okay, and the third one is our inferior border, which is related with the superior mesenteric artery. That's it. And also we are getting 3 surface. First of all, anterior surface, which is covered with peritoneum and related with the lesser sac and stomach. And the posterior surface of the body of pancreas is related with the aorta, superior mesenteric artery, left crus of diaphragm, left suprarenal gland, left kidney, left splenic vein, left renal artery, left renal vein. Okay, so all these things are related with the posterior part of the, posterior surface of the body. Okay, and the tail of the pancreas is directed towards the hilum of the spleen, so it is basically related with the spleen at the lateral part, and also a little bit edge of the end point of the stomach. Finish. Now the blood supply. In blood supply you are getting arterial supply and venous drainage. In arterial supply you are getting the main branches from the splenic artery, main pancreatic branches from splenic artery. Also superior pancreatic urinary artery and inferior pancreatic urinary artery. And in the venous drainage it is drained by splenic vein, portal veins, also superior mesenteric vein. Okay, and in the nerve supply it is getting sympathetic and parasympathetic supply. Sympathetic coming from splanchnic plexus, gone, and the parasympathetic done by vagus nerve, gone. Now the function of our pancreas. Now first of all, it secretes special digestive fluid, pancreatic digestive fluid, which helps digestion of whatever we are eating and throughout the intestine. Okay. Next, it secretes insulin glucagon hormones, which controls our blood sugar level daily basis, and also related with the disease part known as diabetes. I will talk about this thing later. Third of all, it secretes trypsin, amylase, lipase. Trypsin breaks down the protein into amino acid. Then lipase breaks down the fat and converts into fatty acid. Amylase helps to break down the carbohydrates into the disaccharides or monosaccharides. Okay, so all these are part of the biochemistry. I will talk about later, not here. Okay, so this is all about pancreas anatomy. I hope you understand a little bit, and see you soon. Till then, bye.